Hey, welcome back to another video. Today's video I'm here by our 93 Chevy OBS, and we're going to be putting new valve cover gaskets on it because ours are leaking, and we just went and got some new valve covers for that as well. Alright, we got the valve cover off. The trick is to disconnect this wiring harness back here and then take the back out first, and then you'll be able to get the front out without taking this bracket and the alternator off. And looking at the inside here, it looks pretty good for something that has 155,000 miles on it. And my dad's owned this truck since it was almost brand new, doing oil changes on it whenever it needed it with Valvoline oil. Alright, we got our new valve cover sitting here. We have the new breather pipe grommet in there, and they can be hard to find at parts stores, so here's the Dorman part number up there in the top. And then we got our gasket here, and that's all. Alright, now I'm going to put the gasket in. Alright, we got our valve cover on. We did take the vacuum line that goes to the brake booster off. Here it is. I just cleaned it off a little bit. That way we had a little bit more room to get that valve cover in without scratching it when we were putting it in. Now I'm gonna snug down the bolts. They don't have to be super tight, just snug them down, and then after you run it, check it, and I'm gonna be using a 10mm socket. We got everything put back together on the driver's side here. It's all on, everything's tightened. Now we're going to be moving on to the passenger side. Alright, now I'm here on the other side. I'm getting ready to take the 4 bolts out that hold the valve cover on, and also going to take out the PCV valve. Alright, we got the passenger side valve cover off here. It looks pretty good inside of here on this side too, and we had to loosen up our AC compressor to get the valve cover out. Alright, we got the valve cover on, and we put a new PCV valve on and a new grommet, and in case you're wondering the number for the grommet, this is it. And I'm now getting ready to put the bolts in. Alright, we've wrapped up the job here on getting the valve covers replaced on our OBS. We did a couple other little things. We painted some brackets. We replaced the idler pulley. And we also painted the bottom, the air cleaner base. And we got that chrome air cleaner lid from a swap meet for $5. And that's going to be the end for today's video. If you want to see more videos with this truck or our 1935 Ford in the background, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.